Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 9th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1, 4, and 9, 4, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, so you have so you can see the difficulty level. Previous one has 27 printed digits. This one, I think 26, but let me check. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13, 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23 plus 3 is equal to 26. Correct. Alright. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I use? How about the number? Let me scan this. Let me scan. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so no column between. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Yes. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? One of the missing number here is a 4. We see a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then we have in the first column a 7, a 7 in the third column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue. How about these three missing numbers in the second column? One of the missing number here is the number 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. Here also an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. One box left for the 8, should be there. Then nine in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. One box left in this second column for the number 1. These two boxes are left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, I need to wait, but let me mark them for you, 8 and 9, so you can follow it. It's a pair, yes, in a big square, so I can mark them, yes. These two numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Yeah, 2 and 1. Let me mark them also. It's a pair. 2 and 1. That means 2 and 1. 6 and 7. Yeah. 7. Yeah. These three numbers in the last row, those missing numbers are the 5, 6, and the 7. 5, 6, and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. We see a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. So the 6 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. One digit left should be the 7. Let me mark them. It's a pair, 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here the 1 and the 6, so no 1 and the 6 in this box. 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them. It's a pair. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For the numbers 4 and 9, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 8. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. One number left in this second row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then Then, how about Alright. Three missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 8. 1 to 8. 1 to 8. I see here the 2 and the 8. So in this box cannot be the 2 and the 8. One digit left should be the 1. The 2 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. We see here a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. No, 6 we have. 1 and 9. No. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 6. One box left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So in the middle row. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Then 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below. The only two places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then one number left in the middle column for the number 9. Alright. 1, 2, 5. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the number 7 and a 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Same like the previous one. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.